This video is about natural disasters. This will be a captivating video featuring a compilation of natural disasters and remarkable moments in the face of nature's power. From hailstorms in Iowa to stormy waves in Germany, cyclones in southern India, all these events remind us of nature's awe-inspiring force. Witness the mesmerizing sight of water flowing in reverse at an English waterfall. We are going to delve into some incredible encounters with nature's might. Hailstorm. The serendipitous absence of anyone near the window was a stroke of luck. A fierce hailstorm descended upon a house in Iowa, unleashing its wrath and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. The resounding applause of the storm's power was drowned out by the shattering of glass as hailstones mercilessly pelted against the vulnerable windows. The scene quickly escalated into a state of alarming chaos as the hailstones grew in size, posing an imminent danger. Amidst the mounting trepidation, a frantic voice exclaimed, "Oh my God, they're enormous!" In a desperate bid for safety, the urgent cry, "All right, Mum, hide!" reverberated through the tumultuous air. With a collective sense of urgency, everyone was implored to watch their step, mindful of the potential hazards that were scattered on the floor. A massive wave crashes into a ferry during a storm in Germany, shattering its windows with tremendous force. Thankfully, no injuries were reported. However, everyone on board gets soaked as rain accompanies the breach. The unexpected turn of events transforms the ferry ride into a water-soaked escapade. Despite the inconvenience, a sense of gratitude prevails as the passengers and crew realize they escaped unharmed. The incident serves as a humbling reminder of the uncontrollable forces of nature at times and instills a newfound appreciation for the power of the sea, but also human resilience. Dramatic footage of a cyclone. This footage captures the devastating cyclone that struck southern India in 2016, showcasing the immense destruction it caused. Buildings crumbled, trees snapped, debris filled the air as the cyclone unleashed its fury upon the coastal regions. Amidst the chaos, communities unite to support one another, displaying resilience and compassion. The footage serves as a reminder of the need for preparedness and sustainable development in the face of severe weather events. It emphasizes the power of nature and calls for responsible environmental stewardship. Hurricane. Hurricane Laura left behind a trail of destruction in Louisiana, with buildings reduced to rubble, trees uprooted, and communities in disarray. Despite the devastation, the resilience of the affected people shines through as they came together to support and to rebuild. The aftermath serves as a powerful reminder of nature's immense power and the need for preparedness and unity in the face of such disasters. Louisiana's determination to recover and rebuild stands as a testament to the spirit of its people. Strong winds. At an English waterfall came an extraordinary sight as the water appears to flow in reverse, defying gravity. This captivating phenomenon showcases the power and influence of nature, leaving observers in awe of its beauty. It serves as a reminder of the dynamic and interconnected nature of our world, evoking a deep appreciation for the wonders of the natural environment.